Some big breaking news coming in. It's official now. Maharashtra has announced more COVID curbs at this point in time. Restrictions being made stricter. So among the new guidelines that have been put in place, grocery, vegetable shops will be open only from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. So essential item shops will be open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Home delivery of essential items, however, will be allowed and the entire day, that is from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. This is some of the big announcements that are coming in at this point in time. Meanwhile, we'll also go across to Mayuresh, who's joining us for more on this. Mayuresh, if you can take us through what all of the latest announcements are.
So there are two major announcements which the state government has basically issued with the help of this order. The order clearly says that all grocery shops, vegetable shops, fruit shops, even for that matter the bakeries and the dairies will only operate from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. After that, if someone wants to order something, then they can order it. The home delivery has been permitted for all the essential, including the names which I took, between 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. But the timing has been restricted. If you remember, yesterday a crucial meeting was held by Ajit Pawar. In that particular meeting, this decision was taken when there was kind of a confusion that since when this order will get implemented or the decision will get implemented. But now the state government has issued this particular order, and so today itself, till 1st of May, this order will be there in the post. Back to you.
Right. And Mayuresh, do we know, the reasons behind the imposition of or making the rules stricter? Have there been a lot of incidents of people not following the norms that they've been forced to make the rules stricter?
See, the government is of this opinion that a lot of people are coming out of their houses at different times and they are giving the reason that they are going at a grocery shop to purchase a grocery or at a vegetable shop. And that's why the crowding is happening crowding is basically happening at different chunks at a different time. And that's why to reduce this crowding, now state government has taken this decision in the meeting which held yesterday by Ajit Pawar. And the reason is that to reduce the number of people who are coming on the road without a reason. Because a lot of time it has happened that the police or the local authorities stop the people who are roaming on the street, and whenever they have asked, the reason which the people have given is that they are going to purchase the grocery or the vegetable or fruit or essential commodity. And that's why to reduce this number, the state government has come up with this new plan to reduce the timing of the shop, which is between 7 a.m. to 11 a.m.
Right. And Mayuresh, the other part, of course, importantly, is with regard to the vaccine drive, any sort of discussion on how it's going to be ensured that those who are going to get vaccinated, their movement should not be hindered?
Absolutely. And that is always on the agenda, because vaccine is the thing which is one of the important program, and it is not the statewide or the citywide program, it's a nationwide program. So that's why those who want to go for a vaccination, certainly people usually, or the authorities usually don't stop people who are coming out of their houses for any kind of medical emergency or for any kind of vaccination.
All right, Mayuresh, thank you so much for getting us all of those details. So two big announcements coming in at this point in time. The restrictions becoming stricter for the entire state of Maharashtra.